Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for making the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're taking to the skies to compare two budget-friendly drones, the DroneEye F10, or as I like to call it, the Eye in the Sky, and the Loiley drone, which we'll dub the Pocket Rocket. Ready, set, fly! First up, the DroneEye F10. This bad boy will set you back $79. Not too shabby for something that can literally fly. Now, the Loiley drone is a bit pricier at $99. But hey, sometimes you gotta pay a little extra for that sky-high swag. So if you're ballin' on a budget, the Eye in the Sky has got your back. Both drones come equipped with a 1080p FPV camera. The Eye in the Sky promises smooth FPV transmission up to 120 meters. Imagine all the embarrassing things you can catch your neighbors doing from that distance. The Pocket Rocket, on the other hand, also boasts an HD 1080p camera, but with an added twist. You can adjust the camera angle up to 90 degrees remotely. So if you want to take a selfie while pretending to be a bird, this one's your go-to. The Eye in the Sky is a stunt master, capable of 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and custom flight paths. It even has 3 speed options, so you can go from Sunday stroll to Fast and Furious in no time. But wait, the Pocket Rocket isn't just sitting around collecting dust. It also has 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, and even voice control. Fly, my pretty fly. Just like that, it's in the air. For beginners, the Eye in the Sky is like the training wheels of drones. One key: start landing, altitude hold, headless mode. It's practically foolproof. Even your grandma could fly this thing, and she still thinks Wi-Fi is a type of noodle. The Pocket Rocket is also beginner-friendly with similar features like one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold. But it also throws in emergency stop and app control for the tech-savvy newbie. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. The Eye in the Sky is foldable and compact, but the Pocket Rocket takes portability to a whole new level. It's so lightweight, you can literally fold it up and stick it in your pocket. Perfect for those spontaneous, I need a drone right now moments. The Eye in the Sky doesn't specify its battery life, but let's just say it's decent for a quick spin around the block. The Pocket Rocket, however, comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that extend your flight time to a whopping 25 to 30 minutes. That's like a full episode of your favorite sitcom. Fly, land, and still catch the end credits. The Eye in the Sky offers smart app controls like voice control, gravity sensor, and VR support. Plus, they've got technical support ready to rescue you from any drone-related disasters. The Pocket Rocket also comes with a bag of goodies: propeller guards, spare fan blades, and even remote control batteries. And let's not forget the 24-hour technical support and money-back services. It's like having a personal drone butler. Overall, reviews suggest that the DroneEye F10 is a great option for budget-conscious beginners, with features like decent battery life and good speed. However, some users have reported issues with the camera quality and connectivity. On the other hand, the Loiley drone is praised for its advanced features, user-friendly controls, and extended flight time, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It is slightly pricier, but offers excellent value for money. So there you have it, folks. The Eye in the Sky and the Pocket Rocket, both ready to make your aerial dreams come true. Whether you're a budget-conscious beginner or a pocket-sized pro, there's a drone for you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you'll be soaring with. Until next time, keep shopping smart and flying high. Product links are in the description.